Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a private channel in Telegram to invite your friends and contacts to it on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. Launch a Telegram as a desktop application on your computer or laptop. And what you want to do is click into these three lines in the top left, and after that select new channel from that menu here. In the next step, give your channel a name, like for example Cooking Buddies or something like that. For cooking enthusiasts, you may describe it below, and also attach or add a profile photo by clicking into that camera icon here and upload it from your device. Next, click into create here and set the status for your channel, like public or private. If you set private, you will be provided with an invitation link like this, so that you may copy it and use it to invite your friends and contacts to join your channel. If you use public, you'll be given the opportunity to create a custom public channel link below. So let me select private channel. You may skip this, of course, if you like, and set the status later. Confirm by clicking into save here. And last but not least, add members from your contact list. So let me go with that user here. Or you may use the invitation link, as previously mentioned, to invite your contacts and friends, for instance, via direct messaging services or emails, or WhatsApp or any other applications, to join you here in your Telegram channel. So clicking to add on the bottom right, and that is going to create your channel. As you can see, it is private. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.